Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Yes, children? Children, I'm not well. Well, my voice is not good. Just you can adjust. Okay, children? Yes. Today, we are going to see the new topic, okay? In geography. First topic, what we saw? What we learned? All around us. Yes? Today, we are going to see the new chapter in geography. Okay, let's start our social science class. Okay, take your book. Everybody, take your book. Check the page number 123. 123. Lesson name is The Impenetrable Depths. That meaning is வெல்ல முடியாத ஆழம். Depths means ஆழம். Yes? Is that not, children? Yes. Okay. Now, one boy and one mama is discussing. Yes? See in this lesson, what mama is asking, Harsh, what is asking with mama? Mama, do you know? I heard a dream last night. I fell inside the well, but I reached entire of the earth. Mama, what said? What did you see there? Harsh, what said? It is very dark. I didn't carry the torch. So mama laughed. Yes. So we were not able to see anything in the entire of the earth. Yes, mama said. What is there inside the earth? Then mama said, do you know the earth entire is still impenetrable to man? துளைத்து செல்ல முடியாத அளவுக்கு ஆழம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சாங்க அவங்க மாமா சொன்னாங்க. அப்படிதானே? But evidence shows there is very hot and molten material inside the earth. Some evidence is showing us. Yes, inside the earth, in the entire earth, it is very hot and molten materials. Means உருகிய உலோகங்கள் இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லி நமக்கு some evidence is showing us. Yes. Then mama, I heard some volcano erupts. ஒரு எரி குழம்புகள் காணப்படுறத நான் என்ன செஞ்சேன் பார்த்தேன். பூமிக்குள்ள இருந்து வர்றதானதை தான் என்ன செஞ்சேன் நான் பார்த்தேன். அது என்ன செய்யுது பூமியோட சர்ஃபேஸ்ல பரவுது. இட் இஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஸ் ஆன் த எர்த் சர்ஃபேஸ். See, if you take, children, if you take a round chocolate cake and see, if you cut the piece, a round chocolate cake, what you can find? You can find different layers. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Like that same, our earth also looks similar. I said previous lesson, crust, mantle, core. Yes? Like that, our earth have a different layers like a cake. Yes? I hope you are understand some things. Yes? Is or no? Yes. The earth entire can be divided into, I said, in 3 layers. Already we studied in that. Yes? But in the densite layer settles at the center. அடர்த்தியான அடுக்கு மையத்தில் இருக்கும். அதில் தான் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம் 3 layers இருக்குன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Crust, mantle and core. See, in the some facts about the earth we are going to see now. Place in the solar system, third planet from the sun. Sun is third planet, yes. What is the average distance from the earth? 149 million kilometers. What is the age of the earth? 4.6 billion years. What is the radius of the earth? 6,371. 371. Yes. See, already I taught you crust. Where the crust layer will be, we can find it is in the uppermost. Yes, it is mentioned in the previous chapter also. Yes, the uppermost. The lithosphere is the outer crust. Yes, and continent crust and oceanic crust. The continental crust is, the thickness is 35 kilometer and oceanic crust is 5 kilometer thick. So this crust we can say also SALS. SI stands for silica, AL stands for AL alumina. Yes. C forms most of the oceanic crust. Si stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium. So it called SIMA. So its average density, what is that? 3.0 gram per cubic. Yes. Now I said mantle. Yes. See, a mantle, we have upper mantle is there and a lower mantle is there. The crust lies the mantle, and this mantle density is a 2900 kilometer thickness is there. This mantle has dense and rich rocks. So it is silicates of the iron and a magnesium. So mantle is divided by the two parts, that is upper mantle and a lower mantle. Yes. See, upper mantle, for example, we can say asthenosphere. Asthenosphere, okay, and the lower mantle we can say mesosphere. Okay, this asthenosphere lies below the lithosphere. Due to the heat and pressures, it's a form like a plastic form. Okay, the lower mantle is but a solid form. Okay, that upper mantle is a plastic form and lower mantle is a solid form. And their density, what is that average density is that? 5.5 gram per cubic cm. Yes. Now we are going to see the core. Outer core is there, inner core is there. Yes. Outer core and inner core I said. Where the core will be available? In the earth. In which layer? It is in the innermost part. It is in the innermost part. It is mainly composed of nickel and iron. Already it's mentioned in the previous chapter. Yes, already we studied. Yes. So we can call this part what? Knife. N-I-F-E. Okay. Ni means nickel, Fe for ferrous. The scientists believe that iron and nickel in the core are responsible for the magnet. ஈர்ப்பு தன்மைய பூமிக்குள்ள இருக்குது அப்படினா அது core தான். Okay, so the scientists fit below like that, and the core is about 3500 kilometer thickness. This place always extremely hot. That place always extremely hot. The outer part of the core is molten, but inner part, most part is a solid. This average density is 13.0 per cubic cm. Okay, children? Yeah, maybe I think you are understand. Yes. So as we move towards the entire of the earth, the temperature increase from the டெப்த். ஓகே, பூமிக்குள்ள இருந்து தான் என்ன செய்யுது, வெப்பங்கள் வெளியேறுது. அங்கதான் வெல்கனாக் இருக்குது. See, the average increase 1 degree Celsius to 32 meters of densest. Okay, okay children, maybe I think you are understand. Yes, yes. See in this tabular, we are going to see the crust, the thickness, material, density and the temperature. What is the difference, okay, for the crust, mantle and core? See, this crust thickness is 35 kilometer, mantle thickness is 2900, core is 3500 kilometers. It is down. Yes, core is in down, mantle is in the middle layer. Yes, crust is the topper layer. Yes, this crust, which type of material? That is silicon, magnesium, aluminum. This mantle is iron, magnesium. This is silicon, magnesium, aluminum. This is iron, magnesium. This core is nickel and iron. உருகிய தன்மை உள்ளதா கோர்ல இருக்கும். சரியா? Density, this is 3.0, this is 5.5 cubic centimeter. Okay, 13.0 gram per cubic centimeter. For the crust temperature is 200 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, but mantle is 500 degrees Celsius to 4500 degrees Celsius. Core 4500 degrees Celsius to 6500 degrees Celsius. We can analyze. Yes, how many differences are there in this tabular? Yes, yes. Now we are going to see the rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. See, lithosphere is made of the rock. Yes, rock are made one or two more minerals. தாதுக்களால் நிறைந்தது தான் என்னது? Rocks, one or more. Yes, these minerals are solid substance. Quartz, mica, calcite, etc. Yes, these are the one of the few examples. This compound of metals is of commercial value presence in rocks, that is called ores. உலக கலவை அப்படினு ores என்னது? உலக கலவை. These rocks disintegrate to form soil. பாறைகளை நொறுக்கும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? மணல் மாதிரி நொறுங்கி வரும். அப்படிதானே? So the soil is the topmost layer of fine particles which can plants grow. Yes, so these rocks only is converted to into the soil. This soil also various agent is there. Yes, is there? No, reddish soil is there, black soil is there. Yes, for this one weathering like water and wind, அந்த மண்ணுக்கு ஏத்தால மலைகளும் காற்றுகள் என்ன செய்யும்? காணப்படும். Okay, about what we study through the rocks, that study name what we can say? Geology. The study of minerals, what we can say? Mineralogy. Yes, rocks. This rocks is classified into 3 categories. How many categories, children? 3 categories: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. See, igneous rock, that means fire. அனற் பாறைகள். Yes, this is formed by the solidification of hot molten materials, that is we can say lava. What is the hot material in this rock that is hot, inside the rock, that is we can call magma. Magma is also contains as a minerals, Due to the volcanic eruptions, the hot magma starts coming out of the surface. எரிக்குழம்புகள் வெடிக்கும் போது உள்ள இருந்து அனற்காத்துகள் வெளிவரும், அதான் magma. Okay, later it solidifies to form rocks. Some magma solidifies just below the earth surface. So we can call that one is intrusive rocks. ஊடுருவும் இந்த ராக் இல்லந்து என்ன செய்யும், அது நம்ம இன்ட்ரஸ்டிவ் என்ன சொல்லுவோம், ஊடுருவுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, this rocks is formed on the earth surface, extrusive rock. The soil from this rock it will come from this due to the weathering, the igneous rock and eruptions of volcanoes is called a black soil. Black soil is very good minerals. Yes, it is used to grow cotton. Yes, some rocks also is there, some igneous rocks like a granite, cabro blasted. Paru granite adu or paara dhaan. Okay, that is one of the rock only. From that rock some minerals are formed, then they are transferred as a granite we can use for our house. Yes, granite rock. See in your book 126, yeah, one elephant is there. Yes, this all will be in the Hindu temples. Yes, it is all made by the granite, such of the stone. Yes, that is such of the granite rock. Yes, see, have you ever played with the clay? Did you play? Yes. See, if you find mixtures, if you take mixture, that clay has become as a smooth and fine structure. Yes, it is made from the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rock means bandala paarigal. Okay, rocks can break smaller particles due as agents as a ice and water and wind. So it through transfer as a particles through the rivers, glacier on winds. See this picture, the springs is made of limestone. It has been eroded over the years by wind and rain. இதுவும் சுண்ணாம்பு கற்களால் உருவானது. Yes, this is a sedimentary rock. These rocks are rich in fossils. Fossils means what? The remaining parts and plants are preserved in them over the years. Yes, in the sedimentary rocks. Yes, with the help of carbon dating. Some of the sedimentary rocks, that is limestone, sandstone and sill. Sunna kallu dhaan appadha nama rock, but that is transfer as a limestone, but it is erode over the years. Yes, wind, if rain all will come means it will be can be erode. Yes, now this fossils we can see in the South Africa, built by the layer upon the layer of sediments. Approximately it is in 3.5 billion years ago. This fossils மறைக்கப்பட்டதான means remaining parts. What the parts is the remaining, they are built in this upon this layer. Yes, but if any wind or rain it will not be go. Can you understand what is the difference? Now we are going to the see this tabular differentiation between the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks is fine granite and no layer, but it is a sedimentary rocks is a smooth and layer. When formations. When volcanic eruption will come, it will be gone. But here weather of rocks, it will be there only. Fossils, there is no fossils we can be saw. But here it is rich in fossils. Color, light or dark, but it's a great variety of colors we can be see. Acid reactions, rarely reacts with acid, may react with acid. Okay children, I hope you are understand this lesson. Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. New page. Write your today's date and day. Answer the following questions in brief. What are the three layers of the earth? What is the three layers? One is crust, mantle, core. Write it children. Write neatly. Write it fast. Write neatly. Have you completed your previous classwork and homework? Did you submit that one? Very good. While you come to the school, we will correct your note. Oh, yes? So be neatly, you write. You write neatly. Second question. What are the two parts of the mantle? What is the two parts? Uppermost mantle, lower mantle. Yes. Okay, right. I give the time for you for writing. Write neatly. Write neatly children. If you finish one question, leave one line and write next question, okay? Don't run. Write neatly. Okay, I hope you are finished first and second, third questions in brief. Yes. Now, you write the answer the following questions in detail. Discuss the entire of the earth. Whatever we studied, yes, entire of the earth I taught you. Yes, children. I hope you are understand. Yes. Okay. See the question. and the answer write clearly. Okay? Right, children? I give the time for you for writing. Okay? And remaining question answer I'll give in the next video. Okay, children? Whatever I'm giving, that day itself you study it. Okay? Okay, children? Now you turn your homework page. Write the date and day. First one is the uppermost layer of the earth. Second one, the asthenosphere lies below the dash. Lies below the dash. Third one, the lithosphere is made of dash. Fourth one, rocks are made of one or more dash. The study of minerals is called dash. Okay, you write neatly. I'll give the time for you. Okay, children. Remaining topics of this chapter we will study in next video. Okay? Okay, children. I hope you are all finished your classwork and homework writing. Yes? You have to send the daily. Okay? We are marking in the note. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, children.